Boo! Hi guys, did I screw you? No? What a shame. Well, so today I have 3 amazing DIYs that are spooky, really easy to do, and really cheap. So, the first one is a witch hat that is in here. Then I have spooky coffin and also some bloody window clings. Someone's knocking at the door. Our first DIY is going to be the witch hat. We're going to need 2 black cardboard, some tape, scissors, wire, hot glue, and black and purple fabric. First, we're going to start folding one of the corners, making sure that one side is tight and the other one is loose. Like this. Then, tape halfway of our cone. And cut the bottom part to make it straight. Also tape the rest of the cone to secure it. Now, with the wire, we are going to make a long stripe, no longer than the cone, folding it until it feels firm. Then glue it to the top of the cone. Twist the wire until it looks like a spooky semi-spiral. Just like this. Now, let's do the fun stuff. Cut the stripe of the black fabric. And we're going to add some glue to the wire and twist the fabric stripe around it. Here, the tricky thing is that you have to twist the fabric in order that it looks chunky. Not chunky, chunky, ha 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 ha. Continue doing this until you cover the entire cone. Just like this. Now, with other cardboard, make a circle that is going to be the base of the hat. Then add some glue. And paste the fabric over it. Turn it around and cut the fabric, leaving at least 1 centimeter around the circle. Glue the excess fabric to the cardboard. Turn it around and glue the top part. Now cut the stripe of the purple fabric and measure it with the hat. Glue all the edges, folding them, and also glue both ends together. Just put it on and you're done. added a huge spider so it looks creepier. Now let's make the creepy coffin. We're going to need a black cardboard, a ruler, a pen, glue stick, tape, spider web or cotton, a plastic spider, a skeleton, some fake moss, dry leaves, and scissors. First, take your little friend and put him over the cardboard. We're going to use him for the measurements. Place him where is going to be the middle of the coffin. I'm drawing a line about 1.5 centimeters above the head and marking where is going to be the middle of the coffin. This last is a guideline. Whoops, my pen is haunted. Then draw the other side line, both sides with the same measurements. Boo again. Now let's put back our little friend. I'm making the widest part, which is going to be a little higher than his shoulders. And also how wide the top part is going to be. And complete the lines. The narrowest part is at the bottom. Then finish the lines. My ruler actually is kind of small, so I'm using something longer. It's an earthquake! No, I'm just joking. It's just haunted. Nya 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 nya. And cut the coffin base. Let's put him back. Wow, he's so nutty. Now I'm measuring the height of his head and it's around 4 centimeters. So I decided that the height of the coffin is going to be 6 centimeters. Measure all the sizes and write them in a paper. So we are going to make the rectangles. Add 2 centimeters more in length to all rectangles except the bottom and the top ones. Now tape them in its place. And fold the edges just like this. Then we are going to add glue stick in the edges in order to paste all the walls. Actually, that's why we added the 2 centimeters. Once you've finished, just add everything as you please. And now, your little friend is creepier than ever. the last one are the bloody window cleanings. We are going to need plastic. It could be cooking plastic wrap, red paint, glue, and a brush. Just add some glue all over your hand. And place it over the plastic. I also made different shapes and used my other hand. Then add another coat of glue to the prints. Also in this part you can reshape them. Once you've finished, add some red paint to the glue and mix it well. Now cover all the prints with the red mix. Once you've finished, let them dry overnight. When it's dry, actually it's really easy to take them off. Now you just have to moisten them with some water to paste them, and you're done! Spooky! Hi guys, this is Rutsy here, and I hope you like it, enjoy it. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn the notifications on. Bye!